a really cool ball today, and it's green. So let's go ahead and open it. Okay, guys. So we need to get this really open. Guys, so we get in it. Ah, yeah.
You see a clue?
No. I see a clue. This is the one that we don't have.
Let me see. Okay.
Is that a one that we don't have?
I'm not sure yet.
What's it say on it?
The fun fireworks.
Why don't you show
diamond.
it? Why don't you show it to the camera? Paloma, can you show it to the camera? Down just a little bit, and tell the camera about it.
Camera. This is fireworks. This is a thumbs up. And this is a diamond.
Who do we think it is?
I don't know. Maybe it's the one we have.
Well, then we'll sell it and you can open up another one.
Sounds like a good idea.
Yeah. I really hope.
What color is your paper there?
Green.
What are you doing with it? Did you find the zipper?
Yeah. I see some surprise. I see some surprise.
You need some help with it?
No. Wow! I see a clue. I see another clue that tells them what you do. See if she cries, tinkles, or if she spits out water. Do you think I forget that they pee?
What's that say on it?
What does she do on it?
Here, show it to the camera. Let me see. So it looks like she cries. Ooh.
She cries?
Well, I don't know.
She cries?
So there's the cries, the spits, the changes colors, and
I take
the goes to the potty.
So it does a lot of things.
Yeah. What color is that? That you're doing now.
Purple.
Whoa.
This one was pink and now this one was purple. I see troublemaker that we have.
Yeah. See any other ones that we have?
That's the first one that we got.
Yeah.
Isn't it? Wasn't it?
That's really neat.
What if this one's cherry? Well, cherry doesn't do anything.
Maybe we should change this color. What else do we have in
I
there?
didn't see her change color at the party. Someone accidentally put her in water.
Oh. We're almost at the ball.
Yeah.
Good job. All right, we're opening the ball.
Yeah, and I can't wait to see who it is. So please don't bother me. And now let's open up. Now let's open up the surprises.
Yeah. How about we get rid of some of this trash?
Where the package falls.
We'll go pick it up.
Look, hey, they have Heartbreaker. They have Heartbreaker.
How do you know?
If we get Heartbreaker, Neon Kitty, and Splash Screen, we can get it. I see a package in there. Let's open this one first.
Yeah, well, let's open the doll first and see this one that you have. Do you need help with the ball or do you got it?
Can you help?
Can you do it with the camera?
Mm-mm.
All right, we're gonna pass it around. All right, here you go.
Oh, and we have some little shoes too.
What's it?
Wait, I think this is a headband. What is? Open it.
Still do it, that's what we want.
Who is that?
Oh my gosh.
It's Queen.
Ah! She's like the rare! She's so rare!
Who is it? Show the camera.
It's Queen.
It's the queen! She's an Elvis.
I saw her.
You saw her! She had it!
I know her name because she said I'm the queen.
Okay, what else do we have in there, buddy? Do you need help opening those the other stuff?
Yeah,
Here.
I do.
Toss it all here. Here. Toss me the other little pieces.
Someone got a mommy's plate.
No. This one's open now, so then you just got to finish opening it.
What is that?
I don't know.
You went so fast, Daddy.
How exciting!
Yeah, we got none of the queens.
No.
Ah,
What are those?
look at her little shoes.
Show the camera. Like this. Do it like this.
She's ultra rare, Cameron.
Yeah. All right. What else?
That's the watermelon looks like. Ah,
All right. Show the camera. Cool. All right.
I know her name because she said the queen. Oh. You do it so fast, Daddy. Before I can even get them. Ah, a cape.
Whoa.
I forgot that she had a cape.
What's that?
Outfit.
Whoa, that's glittery. Do you want to put the outfit on her?
Mhm. Oh, sorry. Queen does not. Did you know that she does not like to wait? The queen does not like to wait.
Most queens don't.
Some queens don't. This is sparkly gold gushies. Can you put them on?
Yeah.
Hey, I think that hurt her.
All right. Do you need me to put the rest of it on? Or do
No,
you have it?
I might have it.
Okay. There you go.
I know her.
Okay, do the other one?
You need help with the shirt, buddy, or do you got it?
I got it. I did it. It's a sheep,
It's okay, pick it up.
but I don't know where to go in. It's dark.
You can find it. Are you gonna put her cape on? Find it?
Yeah.
Okay, once you put her outfit on, then I want you to
I'm a
put her up on the ball. Put the cape on.
It's my first.
Okay, once you have her outfit on, put her back in the ball.
That queen's getting dressed, Mommy.
Do you need help with her cape?
I'm clean. I'm clean. I get to be clean. I get to be clean. I get to be clean.
The one over there is glitter everywhere.
I know, right?
Is this a glitter series?
No. I
Right.
think she's
Here you
just
go.
at the top.
Okay, put her in the ball. Or put her on top of the ball, okay?
Yep, she's just at the top. See?
Okay, here, come on. Here you go. Put her on the ball
Why? Why?
so we can show the camera. And the water bottle.
I have an idea.
Yeah.
Do this.
Wonderful. Do you have anything to say to your audience?
Audience. She's really hard to find.
Yeah. Anything else? You have anything for them to leave you while watching the video?
Okay, well, she is, no one can get her.
Okay. You want to tell everybody bye-bye?
But I just got her.
Well, it's a very special one.
Yeah, it's a very special one.
All right. You want to tell everybody bye-bye?
Guys, she can, she pee, she tinkles. Do you know what tinkle means?
What?
Pee.
Okay.
She tinkles, she cries. She spits. What else? And what does she do?
All right. You want to tell everybody bye-bye and thanks for watching? Leave some comments.
Bye. So let me know in the comment section what was your favorite part. See you guys in the comment section. Bye-bye for now. Bye.